Good afternoon, guys. I am going to talk Manchester City, Nottingham Forest. 6-0. I predicted 5-0, and they went on to make 6-0. As we know, it was expected that it will be a one-sided match. It will be a City chance to utilize some of the players who are been on the bench. And some interesting fact I can tell about this match. Manchester City has scored goals, 6-0, clean sheet for the team as well, for the keeper as well. And so far in this match, including this match, for the first five games, the total tally of goal come to 18. And 18 is a big number. This is something which has never achieved by Manchester City before. Magnificent feeling, really well start of the season. Also, this is this will put them in the second place after Manchester United 2011 season, where they conceded where they scored 21 goal in the first five matches. So that's something to cheer about. And also for Nottingham Forest, one record which is that they have conceded 6 goals in a match after March 2005, and that was against Ipswich, where they lost 6-0. And in between them, they have played 796 games, nearly 800 games they have played, and now they have again went 6-0 down. This show how accurate and how commanding victory we have saw today. And also, it is noted that Holland had Erling Haaland had scored 3 goals, first 3 goals from the City. So it's a hat trick for him as well. For a little bit of talking about the stat, if we see that Manchester City has 76% of possession during the match, and they have sent 776 passes. Good, and pass accuracy was 91%. Although they conceded 9 fouls, and but there was no yellow card, even a yellow card for City, which was a good achievement. Overall, we can see that Arsenal is still on the top. City is catching up after dropping some 2 points in a draw match. So this time we are expecting Arsenal. We are surprising Arsenal is on the top end right now. But how soon this position will remain? Not very long, keeping in view that how aggressive City is playing right now. But again, this is a Premier League. We have to take game by game and take things further. So until then, good news for the Manchester City fans. I will say goodbye, and I will see you again in the next video very soon.